girls.
Today is the World Population Day and it is celebrated on 11th July. So today we are celebrating World Population Day on 11th July, an online celebration. Why do we celebrate? We celebrate World Population Day because by working hard to create enough space to live on this planet. World Population Day's theme is how to safeguard the health and rights of the girls now, because we all are women and girls and we play a very important role in the family, isn't it? So the girls' protection and health is very, very important. And because of this COVID-19, the right to health has again increased, not only in India but all over the world. This theme, how to safeguard the health and rights of women and girls now. So this is a very, very, you can say, alarming situation that we have to give more stress or importance to the world population and especially the health of the rights of the girls and women. So there are some facts about the world population. They are, it is an international event and 11th of June each year. This aims to raise awareness about global population, and World Population Day wants to make aware about the family planning, about the poverty, about the gender and equality. It is declared by UN before 11th July. Within June, the UNO declares it, the theme for that. And why we are celebrating? Because we want to promote family planning, gender equality and issues related to it, that is poverty, maternal means mother's health, and awareness about the human rights. The middle class become a majority by the year 2020. So on this screen you can see that these will be the world's biggest countries by population in 2100. That is, India will be on the top, then China, then Nigeria, United States and Congo, Pakistan, Indonesia, Tanzania, Ethiopia and Uganda. According to statistics, population of the world increases each year by about 100 million, and on February 6, 2016, the population, you can see, it has reached billions, isn't it? 8 billion people in the world by 2030. Just imagine. And almost half of the population still lives in rural areas and they are in poverty state of, and there are inequalities in human development, primary reasons for unrest, some parts of the world, violence, and this quotation was given by APJ Abdul Kalam. So what we can do? We can improve the health condition of the people. We should empower women. We should take care about the women's health, and economically we should empower her. Social status within the family we should start, isn't it? Population growth comes down. This quotation was given by Bill Gates. So close to the billion people, 1/8 of the world population still live in hunger, and each year 2 million children die through malnutrition. This is happening at a time when doctors in Britain are warning of the spread of obesity and we are eating too much. So we have to take care about our health by having a proper diet plan and eat nutritive food, not fast foods. Eating, do some exercises, yoga, and plan your day constructively so that you remain healthy, not only physically, mental and spiritually also. This is very important. Thanks for celebration. Please spread awareness.
Objective of the World Population Day. World Population Day aims to increase people awareness on various population issues such as the importance of family planning, gender equality, poverty, maternal health and human rights. This is the objective of the World Population Day as per given by the UN. Are the various quotes given by people on why we should control the increasing population. By improving health and empowering women, population growth comes down. A finite world can support only finite population. Population growth is primary source of environmental damage. Overexploitation leads to exploitation. Earth is the only known planet to live. Let's be spacious and stop population growth. Control population to maintain a happy life. Times are gone when we could relax and take it easy. It is time to act strongly to control the growth of the population to help our coming actions. These are the various collages made about the World Population Day.
This side I am Ashi from 11B. So today I will contribute something to our World Population Day. I will say the slogan of World Population Day. Family brings a big problem too. And the theme of the World Population Day of 2020 is how to safeguard the health and rights of women and girls now. Admit the pandemic is the theme of this year, World Population Day. World Population Day is celebrated at international level by organizing variety of activities and events to draw attention of mass people to work together on the issues of growing populations. This is the contribution from the my side, so I'll tell something to Vedika to share her views.
Okay. First of all, a very warm good morning to everyone who is present here. I have prepared a presentation on World Population Day, which is given to me by the Dr. Sandhya Vyas. World Population Day is an annual event observed on July 11 every year, which seeks to raise awareness of global population issues. The event was established by Governing Council of the United Nations Development Programme in 1989. It was inspired by the public interest in 5 billion day on July 11, 1987, approximately the day on which the world's population reached 5 billion people. We will look why World Population Day is celebrated. The aim of Governing Council of the United Nations Development Programme is paying great attention towards the reproductive health problem of the community people, as it is the leading cause of ill health as well as the death of the pregnant women worldwide. It has been distinguished that around 800 women are dying daily in the procedure of giving birth to a baby. The campaign of the World Population Day every year increases the knowledge and skills of people worldwide towards their reproductive health and family planning. Now, how World Population Day is celebrated. World Population Day is celebrated on international level by organizing variety of activities and events to draw attention of mass people to work together on the issue of growing population. Some of the activities include seminar discussion, educational competition, educational information sessions, essay writing competition, public contests on various topics, poster distributions, songs, sports activities, speeches, poems, artwork, slogans, themes, and messages distributions, workshops, lectures, debates, roundtable discussions, news distribution through press conferences, TV channels, and news channels, relay of population-related program on radio and television, and so many. Various health organizations and population divisions work together to solve population issues by organizing conferences, research works, meetings, project analysis, and etc. Now here's the statistic about highest populated countries. China is the highest populated country in the world, and the second one is the India. Here are some interesting facts. 108 billion people have ever lived on Earth. It is estimated that 30% of the population growth in world is because of unwanted and accidental programacy. Then, despite occupying just 2% of the world's land area, India supports over 17.31% of the world population, being the second largest population after China. More than 1 in 3 people are Chinese or Indian. If Facebook were a country, it would be the third most populous in the world with 500 million citizens. Out of the 7.4 billion people in the world, India accounts 1.327 billion, which equals to 17.5% of the world's population. This also brings up the urgency to understand why population control is important. Now, here are the causes of overpopulation: poverty, child labor, reduced mortality rates, fertility treatment, immigration, and progress in food production. Now we will look at the effects of the overpopulation: exhaustion of natural resources, environmental degradation, rising unemployment, rising living costs, technological advances, and depopulation of rural areas. Now we will look at the most important aspect, that is the solution of the overpopulation. The first one is the empower women. Second is promote family planning, then make educational entertaining, government activities, and fund child regulation. Thank you and happy World Population Day. To save the world, to protect the tomorrow, we have to control the population today. Thank you.
So wonderful presentation by all the students and those who have patiently heard. Thanks to Gargi, Vedika and full 11D class for wonderful cooperation they have given in such online celebration of the world population, and I hope you will take care about your health during this period, not only yourself but the family and the society, and contribute a lot. So